Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Court.
Don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whip. Coming with the freshness. Yeah. Light green, squeaky clean. So he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling. Only register ka-ching.
Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash review kind of demonstration. We're going to see how it goes. It is right now 12 a.m. and my camera is dying. So yeah, we're gonna see how far my camera can take it. If not, I'll have to record on my phone. But for right now, we're recording on the camera. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Court and I do all types of videos. I really don't limit myself. I just, do whatever I like to do. So don't forget to subscribe if you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Tell me what you guys are interested in watching. I'm trying to get more consistent here. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me on all my social media, anything, it's always going to be in the description box below. I'm on the road to 10K. I'm at 6,000 on Instagram right now, so I'm really trying. So yeah guys, welcome to my channel. So if you guys want to know what I'm unboxing, it's going to be for your teeth. So stay tuned and keep watching. So what I'm going to be unboxing is something that's so important to me. It's eco-friendly and it's for your teeth. Background story on me, my mom is a dentist, so I'm all about my mouth and all about keeping my teeth white and pretty. So I think this product you guys are gonna really enjoy. So my friend Destiny came out with her own whitening toolkit. Basically so she gave me 3 things. This is the kit. This is, let's see, she was on live and I was like, oh my goodness, I am excited. She was showing how to work it and stuff. I'm really excited. So basically what comes in it is a user manual. Okay, this is how the kit looks. And this is the chart of teeth coloring and everything. I'm gonna pull it close so you guys can see. So basically what comes in here is the, I wanna say the whitening gel. It says on the thing, duh. Whitening gel, professional whitening gel in these syringes, kind of like syringes. And then it comes with a tooth chart to see the shade guide of what your tooth number. So I guess it matches what number your tooth is from white to yellow. This is it. So from yellow to white to how it's gonna progress, basically. And then this is the user manual. Ooh, this is so aesthetically pleasing. I love how you stuck to the black and white aesthetic with the pop of pink. It's just so cute. I love this. And it's so clear. Literally the instructions are very clear on how to use it. So it's just kind of it's right there. Just use it. Get your teeth together. So it's get them things white, Everybody wants a good smile, so definitely we're gonna be doing this. What comes in the kit is the tray for your teeth. So it's gonna do your upper and lower, and it's be like a white light girl. And then there's hair in my mouth. Okay. And then also what comes, it's stuck. Come on. All right. Oh, this is so cute. It's black and it's the, oh wait, I don't know if I think it needs batteries. Wait. Oh. And that, oh.
And I, oh.
Okay, so it comes with batteries in it. Okay, I got this, y'all. Put them down facing each other. And then what you want to do is put this in, lock it, and then, oh, we have light. That's cool. I love this. I love that it comes with batteries so I don't have to go get my own batteries. They made whitening self-explanatory. I love this. I've never seen a kit like this. I really don't look around for kits like this because I've always used like Crest whitening strips, but I really like this idea. It's kind of like whitening on the go. You can take this literally anywhere. You can take this when you're traveling. You can take this literally when you're traveling. That's the first thing that comes to mind for me where you would take this. I'm so sorry about this like piece of hair. Ugh, bugging me. Ugh. Continue though. And I love the packaging. Like, look how neat the packaging is. I just love this. And on the back you have like the breakdown and what it includes and stuff, and all the ingredients, and then you know the caution, and it's FDA approved. So y'all go get this, okay? My girl's FDA approved, so you can have pearly whites. Next I got, oh, let me put the manual back in and the shade guide so I don't lose it. Next, I have the bamboo toothbrush, and she gave me my favorite color. I'm so excited. I love pink. This is so cute. Literally, this is bamboo, so it's like eco-friendly, good for the environment, good for your teeth, and it has her logo engraved in the handle. That is too freaking cute. And then the bristles are pink. Like, look at this. This is so dope. I love this. This is so dope. And I just did a photo shoot. I didn't even get a look at this, but dang, girl. You are okay. I see you. I love it. Like, I literally love this. I'll definitely be using this. And then what comes with that is the charcoal toothpaste. Another beautiful packaging. And it says DesteniiSmiles charcoal toothpaste. It's natural black, natural white, cleans and whitens your teeth, prevents bad breath, removes plaque, reduces harmful bacteria growth. Ooh, which is A1. I love how this is like the alternative to going to get like super expensive whitening, you know, like super expensive treatments, because those like require fruit. I mean, I would get them too, but like if you don't have the time to like wait for someone to come sit down with you, do all of that, like you can do this on the go. I love this idea. Like I can just, and it's like I said in the beginning, like travel, like it's so compact that I could just, you know, put it down and then take it with me. So we're gonna open the charcoal toothpaste because I'm talking too much. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, spearmint, my favorite. I love the taste of spearmint. I know that sounded a little weird, right? And it gives good directions on it. It says adults and children over 6 years old brush teeth thoroughly twice a day or use as directed by a dentist or physician. I love it. I really like these like products. I think this is like so innovative. I don't know. I've always wanted to get my teeth whitened, and now like it's like I was manifesting it. Like now I can with DesteniiSmiles, you guys. This is so dope. I'm so excited to use this. I low-key want to use it on my trip coming up in the next 2 days, so definitely be on the lookout for that vlog. I actually might use it because I'll have some downtime, so I'm gonna do it. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna do this unboxing. Definitely look out for me using this in any other vlog. I'm really excited. The most, like, if I could give this a score from 1 to 10, like packaging wise, presentation wise, I would give it a 10. Like this is honestly like the best product I've ever seen that's like that has to do with whitening, opposed to like Crest white strips. I love that this is a black owned business, so that's like really big to me. I'm really trying to get more into shopping black owned businesses, and this is a great way for you guys to start as well. Definitely, this is definitely something you need to get in tune with. I'll link everything down in the description box below so you guys can get your own whitening kit, and you can get your own toothpaste and your cute bamboo toothbrush. Ugh, I love it because I am so like all about the earth now, y'all. Like I was about the earth, but like for real, I didn't start taking it seriously until right now. So Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll link everything down in the description box below where you can get these and when it's dropping. Definitely check out my Instagram. I'll probably post some pictures on there too of me using it. I'm really excited. Like, Destiny, you did so amazing. Like, so happy we met. I'm so happy that you're dropping these products. Literally you're changing the game. Like, this is top tier, girl. So I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. I'm so happy you gave me this opportunity to review your stuff. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will put down everything in the description box that you need so you can get your own when it releases. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be down in the description box below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.